Hey guys, what's up? Technology Master here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Changhong 32-inch TV.
Let me in or let me go. Honestly, try honesty. No, just tell me what I want to hear, 'cause it could save us. Let me fly, I've got my hopes, but I can hardly see why I'm still chasing. It's not worth it for me anymore. Crashed and burned out.
When I'm holding it and talking to you guys, it's kind of huge. So, the model number is a L32G3, and so this TV is a HD TV, so unfortunately, no 4K videos or even 1080p, as I mentioned in the other video, 1K videos. We have HDMI 1 to 4, USB 2.0, and narrow bezels. Now, when it comes to watching TV, there are people who don't really mind bezels on their TV. Now, me personally, it matters a lot to me because when I watch my content, I want it to be full screen and as much screen as possible. It's an LED TV, not a QLED or an OLED, just LED. What it means, so it's not an OLED. So when you're watching content, like when I said, if you have an OLED TV and you watch content and there's some black parts in that content, like supposing there's a blackout, it won't save any battery because and the LED technology still uses lights, and lights require energy, and energy requires electricity. You get the point. Okay, so just one little thing I want to say. It says it is eco-friendly, but in the box it comes with styrofoam. Well done. Well done.